So yeah, apparently someone opened their car door and chipped the paint on the side of my Audi A4. Yeah, it sucks, but that's what happens when you park in parking lots where there's a lot of cars coming in and out. And to those people, you suck. I would get PPF for my door, but it's super expensive and it doesn't even help with dings, only with scratches. If someone can come up with an idea that can really protect the car door that's inexpensive, you'll be a millionaire. So speaking of paint protection, what I really want to do is protect my Audi R8. And now with spring around the corner, I'm going to be driving that car a lot more often. And I'm already dreading parking in lots. So there's three options. I can PPF the whole entire car, which is super expensive, but then I'm stuck with that gray paint, which I'm not really a fan of. And if you guys know me, I like loud colors on my cars. Just look what I did to my C250. So I definitely want to make the Audi R8 a little bit louder than just a standard gray. So my other two options are, I could vinyl wrap the car. However, I'm not going to do that. It's about $4 to $5 grand, and at the same time, it doesn't really meet my needs. It's really thin and it's not that good in protecting the paint underneath. Another option is spray wrapping the car or liquid wrapping. No, I'm not going to do it with a rattle can, but the whole concept of liquid wrapping has gone through a lot of changes over the past few years. Remember when I dipped my C250 in the backyard? That was a whole entire home DIY kit and it came out pretty good. But what I want to do for the R8 is I want to get it professionally done with the best materials and with the latest materials. And the benefits of it is, one, it's about half the price of a vinyl wrap job. Two, it's actually really durable. It's thicker than vinyl, so any rocks coming up on the highway, they're not going to do damage to the paint underneath. And number three, it's still peelable, which is really good because if I want to change the color, I could rip it right off. And to the haters, I know you guys are going to say in the comment section below, why are you dipping your car? Dip sucks. Dip is hard to peel off. Well, let me educate you guys real quick. To all the haters that hate dip, the number one reason you guys hate dip is because you don't know how to follow instructions. Yep, I said it. You don't know how to follow instructions. If you put the right amount of dip on a surface, 5 or 6 coats minimum, it can peel right off. But no, you guys decide to spray 2 or 3 coats, and when you get coverage, you stop, and then when it comes time to peel off, it barely peels off and it comes in little chunks, and then you blame it on the dip when it's your fault. Look at the dip that I did in my backyard on my C250. It peels right off. So enough with those haters. For you guys that actually enjoy my content, yes, I'm gonna liquid wrap the R8. I'm not gonna do it, I'm gonna have my buddy Jimmy do it. Jimmy's actually the owner of Finest Dips. He has his own professional shop south of Boston using professional materials and professional equipment. And feel free to go follow Finest Dips on Instagram. Every car you see on their page has been liquid wrapped by Jimmy. So I love his work, I love what he can do, and I'm definitely excited to see what he can do to my Audi R8.
Hey, what's up guys, I'm Jimmy, the owner of Finest Dips Auto Custom. We've been liquid wrapping car for the past 7 years. We use the latest material as of today, and then we wrap anything from Honda Civic to a Lambo. No matter what you have, we treat you all the same.
So as Jimmy stated, they do a lot of stuff here in terms of liquid wrap. You can get almost any finish that you want and any color that you want as well. I'm gonna be doing something really custom. I hope it turns out great. He's assured me it's gonna come out great because he's the master at what he does. He's looking at colors right now. So what I wanna do is I'm gonna leave him the keys and then we'll come back in a few days and check out the car. Okay, so there's a really cool like top coat that Jimmy's using on a lot of cars now, and I'm definitely gonna get it on the R8. So if you're not familiar with the way like dip works, in the past it almost feels like a rubberized coating, and there's actually a lot of marring that can happen, and also it's not fuel resistant. So if I accidentally spill some fuel at a gas station, this is actually gonna change color and it's not gonna look that good, and it's really, you can't really repair it. However, there's a new product called Dip Armor that goes on top like a clear coat, and I think it's, Jimmy, it's satin, or can it be? Satin. It's satin. So it's a satin finish, and what it does is it fully protects the dip. So like you don't really get any scratches and marring. It's fully protected against like fuel spills. You can just wipe it off with some water and it still maintains its integrity, so you can just peel it off. Also, the really cool piece that I'm gonna do on the R8 is after 30 days, if I want to ceramic coat this, I definitely can do that. And I think that's really cool for a product like this that is sprayed onto the vehicle. So definitely, if you plan on liquid wrapping your car, check out Dip Armor for sure. The process starts with the car being thoroughly washed and completely dry. And then on the next day is an entire day of masking. So every little part and piece that he doesn't want dip to be on will be completely masked off. And I'm talking about any little crack that there's a potential for overspray is masked off. I mean, the detail is crazy. And then once that's completely done, he'll spray on the layers of black as the base coat. Then he'll spray on the color coat. And then lastly, he'll spray on the Dip Armor Coating. Jimmy.
Hey, Flexx.
Hey, what's going on?
You ready for this?
Yeah, man. Oh my God, I don't know, man. I'm super excited. Like driving down with my wife, my heart was racing, man. So I don't know. Let's see it. Whoa! Holy crap! Holy crap! Dude, Jimmy, you killed it, man. Oh my God. Oh man, geez. So the car has been done for a few weeks now. You could probably tell by this silly mustache I decided to grow. Yeah, I know, it's pretty hideous. But I didn't want to show you guys the car yet because I was waiting for these to come in. Some really nice gloss black emblems, which are really going to enhance the look of the car. But what I want to do is, I'm going to give away 3 Flexx hats. So of course, you guys know, information's in the description below if you want to grab a Flexx hat. But before we go to my garage and install these emblems, I need to do something about this. I can't stand it. So I don't know about you guys, but when I usually shave, I shave against the grain because I just get a better, cleaner shave. But people tell me that you should always shave with the grain. I don't know, it just never works for me. But speaking of shaving, today's video is sponsored by Dollar Shave. I'm kidding, it's not sponsored by anyone. I'm just gonna finish this up. Much better. So right here are the OEM ones. They're chrome. I was actually going to paint these black, but what I did was I started peeling back the old double-sided tape and I put some new one on, and it just didn't look that good. So I went out and bought these gloss black ones. This whole set was under $100. These look really nice and professional. And these are just slightly larger than the OEM ones, but they should work perfectly fine. think it looks awesome. Check that out. And look at the level of detail. I mean, look around here. There's no missing things. There's no overspray at all. Everything looks awesome. The lines are super clean. It's crazy that this is a spray wrap. And remember, I can't ceramic coat this, so I'm gonna do this in a few weeks. But if you guys wanna know what color this is, so this color is World Rally Blue Pearl mixed with Sazuka Blue Pearl with a bottle of blueberry juice. And then that's sprayed on the car, and then afterwards, Jimmy sprayed dip armor on top to give it that nice satin look. And now it's fully protected. I mean, this thing looks crazy. And of course, my gloss black emblems. So there's still a lot left to do to this car. I'm gonna darken the wheel. I'm gonna make this black. I'm gonna be installing a bunch of aero parts that's carbon fiber and gloss black. So this thing is gonna look completely different in a few weeks or a few months. Hopefully everything's all set for summer so I can enjoy this baby. So there you have it. There's my new dipped or liquid wrapped R8. I love this color. It's my dream car, and now it's my dream spec after I do a few more things, but it's time for me to go enjoy this. I'll see you next time.